Now, grab the button. Listen, when it starts, let go of the button. If it starts, okay? Stand over there.
Okay.
No. Okay. Stop. Get all this stuff mixed up here. Take it out from under there. Everything is got to look like. Listen, when it starts, pop, let go of the button, okay? Okay, somebody's got to watch this, okay? I'm monitoring the engine. It pops. Even if it wants to start, let go of the button. Okay, you understand what I'm saying when I say that? Go ahead. Alright, hold on.
My car's locked now.
Go ahead. Okay, anybody, is anybody, hey, is anybody videotaping this?
A lot of people.
Okay, let's get somebody on the front here, okay?
I got my engine on my phone. Whoa.
Stand clear. Go ahead.
That one popped more than yours.
Oh!
Holy crap.
I felt it. I'm like,
I was like, America!